Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be filming this really quick video for you all because I just want to give you some tips and tricks to get really good deals when you buy makeup online. Before starting this video, as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos, and follow me on my social media. It will be linked on the screen and the description box below. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So as you would have seen by the title of this video, I received free makeup products, skincare products, hair care products. All these products were valued at $100 or more. Don't quote me on the exact price, but all of these products were free and they came in this beautiful leopard print bag that is kind of see-through. It's so pretty. It has a very nice little tab right here to open up the bag, and it's a very spacious, as you can see. So in this bag came all the products. So my tip for you today is please make sure that when you're going to purchase something online, you check the front screen of whatever store you're purchasing on. So it may be Sephora, Ulta, any cosmetic store, Morphe, Elf Cosmetics, anything. And check the coupon section and make sure you are aware of what freebies you can get. So what happened in this instance was that I had purchased some items that I wanted to purchase, and I was spending over $85. Now if I spent over $85, I would get this entire kit for free, which was valued at more than $100. So imagine that. You're already buying the products, might as well get something for free also to try it out. So yeah, this came with an 18-piece set of different things that I'm going to show you right now. And I'm super excited that I could get it for free because I was still going to purchase the other products anyways. So make sure, please look in social media, look at the homepage of whatever place you're buying from, and check out the coupons because you don't want to miss out. You need a code most of the times to receive the free item, so you don't want to accidentally miss out on a free item just because you didn't check before checking out. So yeah, keep that in mind because they won't remind you that there's something for free. So I'm super excited to share everything that came in this bag. I'm going to leave the best and biggest product at the end, so please watch the whole video. I'm going to skim through this really quick. I'm just going to tell you what they gave me, and yeah, so here we go. The first thing that came is obviously the bag. So all the free items were bunched up in here, and this was filled to the brim because they came in their original packaging. Most of these items are out of their little packaging because I wanted to show them to you, but this was filled out, and I was super excited. So first of all, look at how cute this is. You can use this to store your makeup, to store brushes. When we used to travel, I love these little clear packages or little makeup bags because they helped out a lot to see what was actually in the bag. So this is so beautiful. The zipper is really good quality, and again, this is from Ulta because it has a tag right there, and it is just absolutely gorgeous, and I love me some leopard print. We're going to start with the hair care items that came in here. We have the Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub that came in there. I've already used this one. It smells absolutely wonderful and divine. I don't even know how to describe scents, guys, but it is so good. So essentially, it is just a scrub to like get all the dirtiness and gunk out of your hair, and you use it before you use your conditioner. So this is what it looks like inside. I've used it a couple of times already, and it's a pretty good size. They gave me 1.5 ounces in here. I don't know what the value is of this, but this is by the brand Nature Lab, I believe. It's just called Perfect Shine, and that's the first item that they threw in this little bag. Next up, they threw in this hairspray by Healthy Sexy Hair, and it looks like this. So cute. It is a travel, of course. It is a 1.5 ounces, but it's great to keep for traveling or to keep it in your bag. It just looks like this. So I thought that was a really good deal for them to throw in this as a little free gift. Now when I saw this product, I was like, what? They threw in a living proof product. It looks like this. It is 1 ounce, and it's a nourishing styling cream. So you apply generously to clean damp hair from roots to end, and then just comb your hair as usual. So yeah, I guess you just apply it once you're out of the shower, and it's gonna style your hair and not let it frizz, because they did remove the word frizz from there. So I was super excited to receive this living proof styling cream, and it is 1 full ounce, so I love that. Next up, we're going to moisturizers. They actually gave me the Purity moisturizer. So this is a smaller sample, as you can see, but still very good. It is 0.25 ounces, so it's a little tiny sample, but just so I can try it out, I think this is really good. It's just a Purity Made Simple moisturizer, so I can't wait to use this. Also, I do have this one, but they threw in another one. I really like it because it's very moisturizing. As it claims, it's the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. It is very moisturizing and hydrating on your skin. This is 0.34 ounces, so it's a little bit bigger than the Purity one. You get a little bit more, but I'm super excited about this one as well. This is by the brand First Aid Beauty. They threw in the Kula Refreshing Water Mist, and it looks like this. It's a little sample as well. This one doesn't come with the amount of product that you have in here, but it's a refreshing water mist. You can keep this in your makeup bag, or you can just keep it for travel whenever you do travel again. But yeah, I absolutely love this. It comes with the little cap and the little spray. This is by the brand Kula. I believe I'm saying that right. If I'm not, I'm sorry. And it has an SPF of 18, so you just spritz and get some SPF as well. I was super excited to receive the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. It's a 24-hour setting spray. It looks like this, and it has a little sprayer. I am super excited about this. It has something like, you hear that? So you can shake it up. It says it's for 24-hour wear. I can't wait to test this one out. It's by Cover FX, and I was so excited to get this as a little freebie. They did give a lot of skincare items, so I'm going to run through them a little quick. So here we go. They gave me the Garnier Skin Active Cleansing Water, and it looks like this. This one, they gave us 1.5 fluid ounces, so I can't wait to try that out. Basha, I hope I'm saying that right. Luminizing Black Charcoal Mask. They gave me 0.7 ounces of this one. So I believe this is a peel mask that you peel off. Can't wait to try that. I was so excited about this one. It is the IT Confidence in an Eye Cream. So it looks like this. So it is by IT Cosmetics, and it has the eye cream inside. No really big scent to it, but I can't wait to try this because it's a really good brand. Also, they gave me the Juice Beauty Stem Cleanser that looks like this. I've never tried this before, so it's just a cleanser. I'm super excited about this one. The CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser is next. How cute is that little bottle? It's so tiny. It's 1 fluid ounce. I can't wait to try this too. Next up, we have this bigger one that looks like this, and it's by Derma Doctor. It's a brightening daily cleanser, toner, and makeup remover. It is 2.37 ounces, so it's like one of those bigger sizes, and it's just a cleanser. Apply to dry skin and rub gently in circular motion. Rinse with warm water and gently pat dry. So yeah, it just cleanses your skin. Super good size also. A lot of product in here. I was super excited about the Tula skincare toner that they added in here. They gave me 1 full ounce of it. How cool is that? When I saw it, I initially thought it was the under eye cream. But it is a toner, and I am so excited to use this. So cool. 1 whole fluid ounce of the Tula skincare, and I couldn't be happier. Next up, I have these. They came in a little package. I just don't know where I left it, but there's a total of 7 little wipies, and I don't know if they're different scents because they have different yeah, they are different scents. They have different colors. So they gave me the Vanilla Blossom that comes in this yellow one. They gave me 2 of those. They gave me the Grapefruit Verbena. I don't know how to read or pronounce that. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, sorry, but they gave me 3 of those. And then the Neroli Mandarin. I believe I said that correct. If I didn't, I'm so sorry, but they gave me 2 of those. So that was a really neat, cute little package right there. Also, they gave me the Acqua di Giorgio Armani. It's just a little sample size of this perfume. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm excited to try a new perfume. We're at the end of the video. I'm so excited about this one because look at what came in this package. Ta-da! This is the Saharan by Juvia's. So this is a makeup palette. I've never had a makeup palette by Juvia's. So I'm going to show you what it looks like, and I've already used this one, so you might see some swatches here and there, but look at how gorgeous this is. So pretty. Absolutely love this. There is 12 eyeshadows in here, and they're so pigmented and so good. So I was super excited to receive this in this little amazing free package that I got with my purchase, and oh my goodness, I couldn't be happier. This is like the best part of this entire little package, and I'm so glad to have it. That's about it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a lot of little things that I can play with and test out, and hopefully if I really enjoy them, buy the actual full size of it. But it's a great way to test products, and especially when they give them to you for free. So keep an eye out for coupon codes and anything that you can get for free with any purchase that you're already making anyway. If you enjoy free products and you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Also subscribe before exiting this video. And yeah guys, thank you for being here. I will see you on my next one. Bye.